Yes, Mr. Ivo. How does he play with the lives of people? We will direct the
Observation.
departmental inquiry to be initiated against this man. You no sense? ಅದು ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ 406, 420 or non-cognizable offense. NDPS. FSL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ ಮೇಲೆ FSL ದೃಢಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ. How is it? We will direct departmental inquiry to be initiated against you if you are playing with these people.
Small quantity of drugs was seized. Part of the record.
The drugs were seized, sent to FSL. It does not find. Where is your Panchnama saying that 15 grams of ganja was seized from them? Granting permission to travel abroad. Where do you want to go? Thailand?
US, you're drawing
US?
on work.
Literally, charge
Your
has been
Lordship.
framed, evidence has been led.
Huh?
Your Lordship,
Travel ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೂ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್
Allah, he's asking for quashing.
ಕ್ವಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್, ಕ್ವಾಶಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲ.
Your Lordship may,
Kiran, where is the itinerary, ticket, affidavit?
Lordship, it's here, but if your Lordship can hear the matter, your Lordship can.
ಚಾರ್ಜ್
propose
ಫ್ರೇಮ್
the-
ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್. ಎವಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ನಡಿಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಟೈನ್.
No, what has
498
happened? Your Lordship can look into the
Huh?
order which is passed on 12,
NDPS. Yes, sir.
12/12/23. If your Lordship can pass, look into the order. These petitioners have been framed, your Lordship. Please look into the page number 36 of the petition. Page number 36, if your Lordship can look into, FSL report negative bandide, charge sheet alli positive anta hakbiಟ್ಟು charge sheet ಮಾಡಿದ ಸರ್.
Page FSL report ಅಲ್ಲಿ
FSL report page number 36. That is
blood sample of Hanumanta. Your Hanumanta.
no Manjunath.
Petitioner
Petitioner number
Hanumanta
2.
ಇದೆ.
Petition number 2, your Lordship.
ಇಬ್ರಿದ್ದೀರಾ?
Ibrida. Accused 1 and 2.
Now who is wanting to go abroad?
Petitioner number 2, your Lordship. And moreover, they have not complied section 50 of NDPS. Procedural lapses.
Residues of volatile poison, group of drugs were not detected in all the above stated articles. What is the charge sheet?
Charge sheet ಅಲ್ಲಿ annexure A page number 18 last para. ಆರೋಪಿಗಳು ಗಾಂಜಾ ಮತ್ತು ಮಾದಕ ವಸ್ತುವನ್ನು ಸೇವನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದು FSL ವರದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೃಢಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಆರೋಪಿಗಳ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಮೇಲ್ಕಂಡ
Who has filed this final report? Get the investigating officer.
Yes, sir.
How does he play with the lives of people? Not anta ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ yes ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಕ್ಕೆ what is this?
and that is what
We
the
will direct the
observation.
departmental inquiry to be initiated against this man.
And the-
1 minute.
Achha.
This court will permit you to travel permanently. Wait. The petitioners are before this court calling in questions so and so. This court on 12/12/2023 had passed the following order. A charge sheet comes to be filed upon an investigation by the respondent. While before filing the charge sheet, the blood samples of these petitioners were sent to the FSL. The FSL report reads as follows. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಒಳಗಿದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನಾಟ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. The report reads as follows. The report is indicative of the fact that the groups of narcotic drugs that are necessarily to be present for consumption of drugs were not detected in all the samples that were sent for examination. The officer in charge of the police station files a charge sheet. In the charge sheet, the reason for filing of the charge sheet inter alia reads as follows. Mark ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. It reads that the samples that are narcotic drugs are found in the blood samples of these petitioners, and it is confirmed by the FSL report. The FSL report indicates that nothing is found. The charge sheet relies on the same FSL report and orders and observes that it is found in the FSL. Therefore, the officer in charge of the police station of Vartur police station shall be present before the court on Wednesday.
CW10.
CW?
10.
CW10 shall be present before the court on Wednesday, 2:30 PM.
Your
Yes.
Lordship.
Interim order subsisting. Yes, sir.
Yes.
I will direct departmental inquiry against this man. Yes. Where is the investigating officer? Take that matter. Yes, Mr. IO. FSL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ FSL ದು?
ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಬ್ಲೈಂಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ?
ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ.
ನೋಡಿ ಏನಿದೆ FSL ಅಲ್ಲಿ?
ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಯಾಕೆ ದೃಢಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಏನ್ ಬರಿತೀರಾ? Why? You know sense? ಅದು it's not 406, 420 or non-cognizable offense. NDPS.
Yes.
How do you pin down this accused contrary to the FSL? ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬರದ್ರಿ ಅದನ್ನ? FSL ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ FSL ದೃಢಪಟ್ಟಿರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ, how is it? We will direct departmental inquiry to be initiated against you if you are playing with these people.
ಸೊ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿದೆ? Contrary to FSL report ಹಾಕಿ they will be inside. They may be involved in any crime. That is not the issue. In this crime, when the FSL straight away says that it is negative, there is no contraband substance found. How did you say ದೃಢಪಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಶೀಟ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ? Should not an inquiry be conducted against you?
ಒಂದ್ ಬಾರಿ ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಈ ತರ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
What is this? ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗಂತ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ? ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್?
7 ವರ್ಷ ಆಯ್ತು
IO ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ?
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ. ಈಗ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಒಂದು 15 ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ.
15 ಕೇಸ್. ಅವ್ರ ಗತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಆ ತರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು.
ಹಾ,
ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಆ ತರ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ್ಲ ಇನ್ನು.
yes, we'll have to quash this.
But small quantity of drugs was seized. It is part of the record.
And the drugs were seized, is sent to FSL, it does not find.
What is sent to FSL is a blood sample.
Correct.
The blood sample says consumption.
Where
not
is your Panchnama saying that 15 grams of ganja was seized from them?
page number?
That is different. Seize ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ?
ಅದನ್ನ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಳಿಸಿ.
ಯಾಕೆ section 50 ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು?
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. Another illegality.
ಅದನ್ನ ಇವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ.
At your whim and fancy, you conduct investigation, no procedure is followed, just because it is NDPS. Sample ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? ರೀಸೈಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರ
ಅದು
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೇಸ್ಗೆ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಮಿ, ಅದನ್ನ
ಮತ್ತೆ?
ಬೇರೆ IO ಮಾಡಿರೋದು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇರಿ ನೀವು. 15 ಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಸ್ಟಾಕ್ ಇರಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ರೀಸೈಕ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲೇಟ್. Why did you not take that seizure and place it before the magistrate in section 50? This is precisely why Supreme Court says you'll recycle everything.
Anyway, it is a small quantity. They should have sent everything to the FSL.
Yes,
They could have done that, sent it to everything to the FSL.
wholesale procedural aberration.
Both the investigation officer in this case have misled.
Yes. Will pass orders. Allowed cost. ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿ ಇನಿಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ.
ಇವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ CW1 ಮೇಲೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಯಾರ ಮೇಲೆ?
CW1.
ದಿ ಅದರ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್.
Because he only filed a charge sheet.
ಯಾರು?
This person.
ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್.
Done by CW.
SHO na.
He is an.
All right.
CW1 is the.
Yes. Allowed cost on both the grounds, 50 and the investigating officer. Yes. Already.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನ್ ಪ್ರೊಬೇಷನರಿ ಅವನು. ಅವನು ಪ್ರೊಬೇಷನರಿ.
ಯಾರು?
ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟವನು.
ಪ್ರೊಫೆಷನಲ್.
ಪ್ರೊಬೇಷನರಿ.
ಯಾರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದ? The officer in charge of police.
The person who registered this, person who filed the complaint, conducted a Mazar and filed a complaint, is a probationary.
ಯಾಕೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡಲ್ವಾ? His probation is declared to be satisfactory. Yes, we'll see. For what? Traveling abroad, yaar. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. You can go the whole hog, wait. Yes, our permission, yeah. Yes, ask him to leave.
As the NDPS case returned for its second day of hearing, the court closely examined serious inconsistencies in the investigation. Earlier, the bench had noted a striking contradiction between the forensic science laboratory report and the police charge sheet. While the FSL report clearly stated that no narcotic substances were detected in the blood samples of the petitioners, the charge sheet nevertheless claimed that the presence of narcotics had been confirmed. During the latest hearing, court further scrutinized the prosecution's claim that 15 grams of ganja had been seized from the accused. The bench observed that the FSL report only analyzed blood samples and did not independently confirm the recovery or testing of the alleged contraband. The court also expressed concern that the investigation appeared to suggest personal consumption rather than possession of seized narcotics. According to these concerns, the bench questioned the investigating authorities over their alleged failure to comply with mandatory safeguards under the NDPS Act, particularly the requirements of Section 50. Noting these procedural lapses and contradiction, the court directed the officer in charge of the Word Police Station to personally appear before the court and explain the discrepancies in the investigation.